let's go over the tablet phone overhead stand. I'm gonna go over this overhead stand, what I like about it, then go over a demo of me using it so you can see just the angles that you can get and talk about who this is for. So let's get started. Okay, so the look and feel of this stand. Strong aluminum body, really heavy base, exactly what you want with a stand. That way it reduces wobble and has a nice pad on the bottom so you're not scratching any of the surface that it's on. You do have to assemble this, really easy to assemble though. There's just one screw on the bottom, then you just screw on the pole, and then you screw on the top, the arm, and you're good to go. And you'll notice it's going to go around 360 degrees. So that's one thing about this that I really like. It's very flexible what you can do with it. So you saw 360 degrees, then we can also extend it, have it go much higher, just twist that on down, and then that'll lock it into place. So it is quite long now. Shorten it all the way. Now we can see everything. So the arm can be moved. The first joint can go straight up. Second joint can go straight up as well. So you can get maximum height with this, and also adjusting the pole. And then this can also move quite freely, 180 degrees. And then the final joint, the joint with the phone holder. And then we have a tablet holder as well. I'll show you that in a second. So there's a lot of flexibility with that. And you can also turn this around 360 degrees. So you can really get a ton of angles with this stand, which is exactly what you want. You want to have a lot of angles and we can get the perfect shot. We'll just raise this just a little bit. We'll go ahead and attach the phone. You can see what it's like. And then if these are too loose, you can always tighten them with the Allen wrench that's provided. There are 3 slots here that you can tighten them and loosen them. So we'll go ahead and add the phone. Go off to the side here with the part that extends. Just take your phone, hold it, and push it into it. And there you go. Get the exact angles that you want, move it around, and then tighten everything once you got it into the exact position that you want. Okay, and then we have the tablet holder right here. It's obviously a much bigger holder, spring loaded, just like the other one is. And you'll need to screw this into the stand. It comes with another screw that you can just easily use the Allen wrench again to screw it on in. So what would also be nice about this is you could tilt the phone a little bit. You know, a lot of your shots, of course, is gonna be just top down or straight ahead. But just being able to tilt this a little bit when you're doing your top-down shots would be nice, just to give a different angle. So let's have a look at me demoing some top-down shots. Okay, so let's just go over one of the main angles that you'd want, which is the top-down angle. With this arm, you can have it in many different angles. You can have it pointing forward, put it on a counter, having it look out at the room. But one of the good uses of this is to have the top-down view. For example, if you have a product, you just throw it on in and just talk about it. So if you're looking at like a microphone, lav mic, open it, so you can see all the detail with it, and you really show people what the product is about. You know, I used to use a tripod to do this, but I had it at a weird angle and it wasn't great. So having a top-down view is the best. So you can see you can get all the detail of the product with this. I'll throw in one more product here, red light therapy wrap, and you can really see just how effective this angle is. We're showing off products. And then of course, cooking, showing cutting. Just cut this banana. This is a great stand for cooking. A few things that you can do with this top-down camera. Of course, if you're doing any type of art, drawing, anything that really needs detail, this will work really well for and give you that professional look to your videos. Okay, so who is this desktop phone and tablet stand for? Really anyone who needs something that's portable, that is sturdy, that doesn't wobble, wants to get top-down shots or other shots as well, whether that be you're doing YouTube videos, unboxing videos, live streams. This thing will work really well. I personally shoot a lot of YouTube videos. I do a lot of unboxing videos, and I use this all the time for my top-down shots, and it works great. And you saw from the demo, the shots really do look good, and they will give your videos a professional look. So definitely check out this stand, and good luck with your recording.